Ye- Yes, sir. What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, there's this beat I was working on. I recently posted it on my YouTube channel, but I feel like I didn't get enough engagement that I needed, and I felt like I needed to remake another one just to get your attention because I feel like this one is fire, bro. This beat is dope, bro. The vocals, the bass, the guitars which I added on this beat, you can see them. I have this Bruce Peak, Bad Peak, Harmless 70s lead, Res 808 Brazy and bass and drums and pads. So I just want to play each and every sample one by one so that I can get to see which one is messing up my mastering and mixing. But if I can open the mixing channel, you can see that the first thing I have on the mixing channel is the mastering channel is the FX analyzer because I want to see where the beat is playing with the frequency. So I'd like to keep my 808 and bass below minus 30 decibels. Anything above it starts to distort. So going to the wave shaper, I love it for distortion because it gives the previous sound a boost. It's like a distortion, a distortion. If you understand distortion, it will increase the volume uh, in a good way, but too much. So it's up to you to tweak it into your own liking and change it however you feel like you can, because like you don't have to do too much. Too less it's too much. Too more is uh, you will be messing up with the sound. So FX multiband compressor. I want to see the lows on my project. I want to see the mids. The lows is the bass, the left side of the sound on the FX analyzer. I can see the lows here on those 20, 50, 150 hertz and 40 hertz and 1k hertz, which is 1000 hertz, 2000 hertz is the mids, and until 4000 and 7000, 12,000 and 20,000 hertz is the highs on the multi-band compressor. So I want to see that so that I can know which sound is distorting with the other sound. So the first sound that I'm going to start with is the vocals. So I'll play the vocal, and then I've got this vocal from Splice for sure. Splice, which I recommend. The link is on my description. Go and get your own subscription and get the best royalty-free samples which you can use to make beats in flstudiomobile. Click the link on my description and get these vocals, bro. So now let me start with the forecast, then I'll go pattern by pattern and then play the whole project after. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share all my videos. So let's get it. Yo, bro, yo, man, this sample is too much. But if I can open my channel on the vocals, remember we're on the vocals now, audio too. So the first thing I added is the FX reverb too. I love using reverb on vocals. That's the first thing I always add on vocals, even if I have delay, chorus, phaser, flanger. I start with the reverb because I want to open the sound wider enough to get that reverberation. Reverb like this. Hello. So I guess you can hear the reverb on my voice. But now I wanted this reverb on these vocals. So when you're using reverb, again, you have the high cut, low cut. The high cut is like cutting the highs on the vocals, like the high cut. Okay, let me. Low cut is like you're cutting the the lows, of course, low cut, high cut, the size, decay, and all that. So dry, er, and wet. So you can see my wet is at 0 now. There's there's reverb, but if I increase my wet, it starts to be like it's coming there, and then it's there. So there's a difference between, I mean, the wet is it affects the vocal in a nicer way, good way, according to how you like it. And the next thing is the FX equalizer, cutting the lows or the harshness of this vocal. And then I had to cut the lows on band 1, band 2, and the next thing was the FX graphic EQ. So this one is more like FX equalizer, but this one is a different graphic EQ. So, but it is the same thing, but with the different uh, way. Like it's a different thing when you are using it, but it's a part of EQ. So EQ is EQ, and then after that, I had to add this bass on this beat. So if you can check most of my beats, I love using this bass from the sexy classic at helps sleet drum kit. So if you want me to drop this free drum kit, then click the link on my description and join the Telegram. Then I can post this drum kit anytime. But if you are in a hurry, then comment and tell me you wanna have this drum kit when you want to make beats inside flstudiomobile. So yeah, I added this bass, and then I went straight to the guitars, the Bruce Peak. So recently I purchased the guitar samples. I posted it on my community post. So make sure you get these guitars because they will help you when you're making good the guitar type beat, trap beat for gunna all that. But this is how they sound. So if you can check the last part of this guitar, if I can play it again, you will see that it's repeating, right? So the more it repeats, it gives it more power. Like, let me play it again. So I feel like the way it ended is good. Like, so, anyways, on this guitar, I added the FX equalizer, cutting the lows, of course, and the graphic equalizer, increasing the highs, as you can see, 3K hertz, 6K hertz, 12K hertz, increasing those hertz because I want it to be out. Let me play it with the vocals together. This beat is so nice, bro. And I added this guitar also. This one, the same. If we can open, is the bad pick with the Bruce pick. So the reason why they sound the same is because it's the pick guitar, the pick guitar, different names. And then I have this lead. Okay, I added that lead, and then 808. Boom, 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 boom. Like, I can't finish a beat without adding the 808. It's a must. It's a ritual. 808 must be there. Like most of my trap beats, I normally use the 808. I love the 808 so bad, bro. So this is the drums which I did on this beat. Okay, so those were the drums, and there is this sound which I don't really like. I feel like I have to delete it because I feel like this sound, it's loud too much, and there's so much going on here. If I can decrease it to say, if I can decrease it, is better. You get me sweet love, yeah, you get me sweet.